Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an eBay shopper, you know that excitement of buying something online can quickly turn into anticipation as you wait for your package. But don't worry, today, we're breaking down how to track your eBay orders in 2025, with some cool new features that make it even easier. Whether you're a seasoned seller or a first-time buyer, this guide will have you tracking like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. Head over to the eBay website or open the app on your phone. It's super user-friendly now with the 2025 updates. Once you're in, navigate to your Purchase History section. This is usually found in the My eBay tab at the top of the page. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent orders. Now, find the specific order you want to track. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Order Details page. Look for the Track Shipment button. It's prominently displayed, often with real-time status updates powered by eBay's enhanced AI integration in 2025. Clicking this will show you the tracking information provided by the shipping carrier, like USPS, UPS, or FedEx. If you need more details, eBay now offers a direct link to the carrier's tracking page. Just copy the tracking number and paste it into the carrier's website for live updates, including estimated delivery times and any delays. Pro tip: in 2025, eBay's app has a new, Live Map feature that lets you visualize your package's journey on a map. Pretty awesome, right? Sometimes, tracking might not update right away, so be patient. If you run into issues, like a missing tracking number, head to eBay's Help Center or contact their support team through the chat feature. They're quick to respond and can escalate problems with sellers if needed. And there you have it. Tracking your eBay orders is straightforward and even more reliable in 2025. Give it a try on your next purchase and wave goodbye to package anxiety. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.